Hi, I am Prakash, and as a part of a warehousing project, I have made a warehouse about Indian Premier League, which is a cricket league, and I got most of my data from their crick sheet. They have all the ball by ball information about every ball which is still bowled in cricket everywhere, like not only in IPL, and also from the IPL official website. So after the data from the crick sheet looks like this. So this is the info tab where we have info about the match and every fact about the ball, like how it happened, who was the bowler, who was the striker, batsman, and everything, and number of runs scored on that ball are scored into per ball basis. So I wrote a Python script which will access this YML file I just shown, and it will convert it into a CSV, which then I can access into uh, access. So this is my fact table. As you can see, there is a winning total for per match, then who if the winner of the toss also went on to win a match, that fact, and which inning, like how the match was won, like if it was the first inning or if it was the second inning. So these three are my these two are my dimensions, and these are my facts, and these are dimension tables corresponding to dimensions in uh, fact table. So I'm gonna import this access database into my staging database, which is made using a SQL model. So this is my fact table, and yeah, so this is my fact table. This is the composite primary key, which refers to foreign keys of dimension tables. So we'll just run the SSIS. As you can see, the control flow is successful. This is the data flow. IPL matches from Access are loaded into a dimension of SQL. Same with the fact. That fact is loaded into SQL. I have performed the lookup for match ID and stadium, which are a foreign key. So we'll move on and deploy a cube. So this is the data source, which is a database from SQL. This is the data source view, and this is my cube. So we'll try and deploy it. The parameters are set to process all. Deploy all and default processing options. So we'll deploy it. Okay, so let's see. This is the cube structure. This is the fact table again, and these are dimensions in relationship by primary key. These are the measures, and these are the dimensions. This is dimension 1. This is another stadium dimension. So we'll try and browse this cube. So we'll use Excel for one of the case studies. So for example, I want to check if for given stadium, if that how many times that that team which won the toss went on winning the match. So we'll create a bar chart for this. As you can see, this is not kind of clear because I wanted to show the total number of matches against number of matches won. It's like number of matches played and number of matches won by the team who won the toss. And so I also decided to give a tableau try because Excel wasn't being helpful. So this is my another case study where I am what I'm doing is for given stadium and for given matches at the stadium, I'm checking that which inning won the match. So as you can see, out of these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so out of 7, 3 times the second inning, like the chasing team won the match, and another time it was the first team, like the team which set the target, which won the match. As part of a third case study, I have calculated the average score for at given stadium. So for which average winning score it is basically. So for example, for Buffalo Park, you can see that the score is 148. So these are the 3 case studies, and that's it. Thank you.